2022 Mercedes GLC for Ghost Immobiliser. Come round to the front of the vehicle. If we start the engine, as you can see, the system comes on. If we try to drive in any direction, reverse or drive, it will shut the system down, as you can see. If we now switch the vehicle off, restart the engine, we can now enter our demonstration password. Obviously on this we have set it to driver's side. We get two flashes of our indication down below, the blue headlights. We can now select any gear, drive, reverse. As you can see, it's changing and the engine is still on. It is not shut the system down yet. That is how the Ghost 2 will work on the Mercedes GLC. For servicing mode, obviously we can just simply switch it off by pressing this 5 times. That is now in service mode, and to take it back out of service mode, we simply restart your engine, put in your password. We get our 2 flashes of acknowledgement. That is now back out of service mode and ready to drive again.